How to check in online for Korean Air. So it's actually a very simple process. What you're gonna have to do is go to your preferred browsers, and once you're there, just search for Korean Air, of course. You should be able to see Korean Air as your first option. So once you press on Korean Air, you will be led over here to their website. You don't have to sign up actually, but just go to the check-in. Also, you can sign up if you want, but once you're here, press on the check-in and then make sure you do have your booking reference or ticket number ready. So put it in over here and make sure you know your departure date, and then well, you can only choose from these dates, of course, the ones closest since you're checking in. Put in your surname and then the given names. So, of course, the ones that is stated or that is assigned to that specific flight or the ticket that you booked. Then just go ahead and search and you'll be able to check in for that specific flight. So, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.